Hi, my name's Mauricio and we're Aces Auto Body, located on the border of Gardena and Carson on Main Street. Aces Auto Body is a full-service auto body and paint shop, and we accept all insurance claims from any insurance company. Having been at this location for over 9 years, 90% of our business is repeat customers. They've experienced firsthand the high level of our honesty and service. We use only the highest quality of materials, and our workmanship is one of the best you'll find in all of Los Angeles.
Hi, I'm Bernie from Aces Auto Body. Today we're looking at this 2005 Chevy Silverado SS truck. We did a complete paint job on this truck. It had a whole bunch of dings, dents, and scratches, and the customer wanted it perfect. So as you can see, we've taken it all apart. Every single part that touches a painted panel has been removed as is necessary for a quality refinish. We're just about finished with the polishing and ready to start reassembling. As you can see, we take pride in our workmanship. We go through every single detail. We don't cut corners, so we make sure we get the best product and service for you.
Feel free to check out our awesome Yelp reviews, and please, I encourage you to give us a chance in the future to prove what we can do for your auto body repair needs. We will take good care of you.